Hi everyone, welcome to Merriness. I am Ashma and today's video is going to be about the winner announcement for the giveaway which was in collaboration with Tashawale. And before I announce the winners, I would like to thank each and every one of you all who have participated in this giveaway and made it a huge success. So there will be only 3 winners this time, and if your name does not come out, then don't be disheartened or discouraged, because I have planned many more giveaways for you all, and just don't lose hope. And you just have to be regular on my channel and keep commenting on all my videos. I really love reading all your comments. So now coming to the winners, well, I had already mentioned that there will be only one winner based on efforts and 2 winners will be selected randomly based on rules. So I have seen all your efforts and I truly appreciate it. But in this category we can have only one winner, and the first hamper for the effort based category goes to Sizzling Queen. Many congratulations on winning the first hamper. And for the random selection based on rules, the winner is Cutie Princess for the second hamper and Pooja Singh for the third hamper. So many congratulations to all 3 of you. Please do send me all your details via message on Instagram in the next 48 hours, else a new winner will be selected. So that's all for today, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching Merriness.